Nixon Hire safety videos, visual guidance for the experienced operator.
Ensure you're familiar with and obey the safety regulations relating to this equipment. Always carry out a work risk assessment prior to the task. Wear suitable personal protective equipment. The operator manual and safety instructions must be read before operating this machine. Replacement operating manuals are available on request from your nearest branch of Nixon Hire. Only use competent, trained personnel to drive the equipment for the purpose intended. Servicing must be in line with the manufacturer guidance. This is displayed in the operator manual and your hire agreement. Never use any equipment which is damaged or defective, and never attempt to modify or convert the equipment. Use the correct tow pin and safety clip when towing. Make sure that the breakaway cable and any secondary coupling are used each time you tow the equipment. Always check that the handbrake is released and the jockey wheel raised before towing. Check tyres for defects. Look for cuts or damage to the tyre. Check the wheel rim and the wheel nuts for damage and security. Check the hub for leaks. Always ensure that the turntable lock is used when transporting the tower light. Check the tower light over, looking for damage to the structure and towing lights. Check the light heads for damage to the units and locking devices. Never use a tower light if the glass is damaged. Ensure the stabilizer legs are fitted and operational. Check the handbrake operation and ensure applied. The mast will not raise without the handbrake being applied. Check the tow hitch condition. Never tow if the hitch is damaged. Using the supplied key, open the engine door and top cover. Check the engine oil level using the dipstick. Oil level checks should be carried out every 4 hours. Check the coolant level at the radiator cap or the expansion bottle. Only remove the coolant cap if the engine and radiator are cold. When removing the coolant cap, always unscrew it slowly and allow any pressure to escape before fully removing the cap. If you require a top-up of any fluid, contact your local depot. Check for any loose pipes or cables. Look for any leaks or defects. If there are any defects with the mechanics, immobilize the equipment and report it for repair. Close and lock the rear door. Choose the required setting for your operation, manual or one of 3 automatic settings. Close and lock the top cover. Check for overhead obstructions and hazards. Always keep at least 9 meters away from any power cables suspended on wooden poles and 15 meters away from any power cables suspended on metal poles or pylons. These distances must be with the mast at full extension. The setup area should be level and solid enough to take the tower light. Set out the stabilizer. The legs must always be fully extended to provide stability when the tower is raised. Close the stabilizer legs when moving the unit. Set the light head position to suit the task and location. Refer to the operator manual for the equipment type you're using and follow the start sequence. Before starting, ensure all circuit breakers are in the off position. Always double check overhead before raising the mast. An audible alarm sounds during operation. Never move tower lights with the mast raised. Always lock the control panel and return the key to the storage position. The SMC TL90 tower light is fitted with a safety interlock handbrake. If the handbrake is released, the mast will automatically lower. Manually lowering the mast is carried out using the buttons on the control panel. When refueling, ensure the equipment is parked safely and is turned off. Remove the fuel cap and insert the nozzle. Wear appropriate hand and eye protection and do not inhale fuel fumes. Do not smoke or refuel next to heat sources. Do not refuel in enclosed places. Wipe up any spilled fuel and clear any spillages as they occur and stay with the equipment while it is being refueled. Close the fuel cap securely when finished. When parking the equipment, always choose a safe location, apply the parking brake and remove the key. Always chock the wheels securely when leaving the machine unattended.
Nixon Hire Safety Videos, a visual guide for the experienced operator, when you need it, where you need it. Look out for our other safety videos where you see the code, or visit our website nixonhire.com.